Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the honourable member for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, animal ownership comes with responsibility, practiced with 5 principles of animal freedom. This was developed in 1965 by the World Organization for Animal Health and widely recognized. The 5 freedoms describe society's expectations for the conditions animals should experience when under human control. Namely, freedom from hunger, malnutrition and thirst, freedom from fear and distress, freedom from heat stress or physical discomfort, freedom from pain, injury and disease, and freedom to express normal patterns of behavior. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is rather unfortunate to observe that as a result of owners' negligence, animals are vulnerable to mistreatment by the public and often results in animals straying onto plantations, causing damages to crops, as well as getting involved in vehicle accidents on the highway. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Protection of Animals Act of 1954 requires a comprehensive review due to its outdated provisions. For example, the minimum fine for offenders is set at $10. Additionally, it is important to note that Fiji currently lacks an Animal Welfare Act. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry advocates responsible animal ownership by raising awareness, ensuring animal identification through licensing or branding and ear tagging, installing fencing and providing sufficient feed, water and nutrition. To ensure the safety of the public, a program to capture stray animals is currently underway by the Ministry to manage stray animals, primarily addressing those that pose a threat to agricultural lands, roadways and human safety. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Ministry works closely and supports the Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, the SPCA, with financial grants to handle cases that are reported to them and are mostly targeted at pets. These are for the treatment of sick and injured dogs and cats, as well as to de-sex them to control the population of strays. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.